Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to show you how to do your 6x9 book cover template. So let's head over to Google. Once you're in Google, type in KDP cover calculator. Then we're going to select the first option. Once it's selected, it will take you to this page. And we are just going to enter the necessary information. Binding type can be hardcover or paperback. I'm selecting paperback. Interior type, I'm going to leave it as black and white. Paper type, white paper. Page turn direction, left to right. Measurements or units, I'm going to leave it in inches. Interior trim size, 6x9 inches. Page count, for this book is going to be 80 pages. And then we can select calculate dimensions. And this will give us an outline of what our book cover would look like and where our margins would be. Once we have done this, we then would download our template, and once selected, it will go to our downloads folder. Now I have already downloaded mine, so you can just simply select download template. Once you have done this, you want to head back over to Google and type in Bookow. Once you have entered Bookow, we're going to select the first option. And we are going to select KDP cover template generator. And then select KDP cover size calculator. And we're going to put in here our trim size. Our width is 6, our height is 9, page count is 80, and we're going to select calculate cover size. Now Bookow makes it quite easy for us. So we have the sizes in inches, and we also have it in pixels. So all you need to do is to copy the width as stated here and the height and head over to Canva. So you just want to go to your Canva account. Once you are in your Canva account, you simply select custom size and you're going to enter the information as stated in Bookow, which will be 12.43 by 9.25 inches. Once you have done that, a blank template will open up for you. So once you have entered the size information and you get a blank canvas, you would then want to select upload and upload your template that was downloaded. Once your template is uploaded, you simply select it. I have already selected mine, and you drag it to fit the size of the page. So now you know what you are working with in terms of the margins and where you should not cross when designing your book cover. So continue to use Canva to develop the design that you would want for your 6x9 inch book cover. Once you are satisfied, you simply select share and download. Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing.